So I'm just going to record a training on how you can use Zoom with OBS to go live and live stream on Facebook, whether it's on your business page, your profile page, or a Facebook group. You can do it on either of these. And I want to share this with you because if you want to go live with Zoom, you have to buy the webinar option from Zoom, otherwise you can't do it. But there's actually a workaround with OBS. OBS is a free live streaming software that you can Google and download to your computer. So before you actually can do this and go live, you need to first install OBS on your computer. Then you got to fire up Zoom. I'm using the pro version to do this. I don't know whether it's possible with the free version, but you're welcome to try. But you can definitely use the pro version without the webinar add-on. That is what encouraged me to do this, because I don't want to pay $40 a month for live streaming. I don't see the value in that. So I'm paying Zoom $15 a month for the pro version or something like that. And I'm using OBS to then live stream to Facebook. Now, why am I doing this? Why I'm not live streaming directly in Facebook? The reason why I prefer this is so I can record my live streams directly inside of Zoom. It gives me a better quality video, and it also gives me a recording right from the start. Now, if I go and live stream just with Facebook, I get a recording, but it lives inside Facebook, and I don't have control over it if Facebook goes down tomorrow. Plus, if I wanted to export it, I need to first export it, and sometimes I need to change the formatting, or I need to change it depending if I use my phone. It's not in landscape mode, it's in portrait mode, and then the video looks kind of weird and icky. So I prefer it this way because I get a better quality video and recording, and I also get more control over where I want to repurpose that content. Okay, the next thing you need to do, so you fired up Zoom, you start recording. I want to now share my screen, and I want to share OBS because I'm going to share and walk you through the steps that I take for this setup. Okay, so what I want to do is the first thing you need to do when you OBS will ask you to create a scene because you have nothing here, so that will be empty. So I can just create a new scene. You name it Zoom or whatever, click OK, and then you got to go to sources and click the plus sign because you need to link the camera on your computer to Zoom, otherwise it will not show your camera. So what you want to do is you want to select the video capture device, which is your computer's camera. So you just leave that as it is, click OK, and then it asks you to select a device. So I use my Facebook Time camera, and I can select to choose buffering or not. At this stage, I don't really know what the pros and cons are. So at the moment, I just leave it unticked and I click OK. And now I can also select a let's see, display capture. Let's see whether that works. No properties available. Okay, maybe that's not working. Okay, so I'm going to X out of that. So I will just, I will leave this here because you show it, you see my screen anyway from inside Zoom if everything works. So I can select that and resize it. And what I then want to do is, the next thing I need to do to go actually live in Facebook is I need to bring up Facebook. Okay, so I need to go over to my Facebook, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop sharing screen and click new share. I'm going to select the Facebook screen. Okay, so hopefully you see that. Share that one. So switch over to my Facebook. Okay, so I want to go live in my Facebook business page in this instance. So I am in my business page. I click live. And I'm not worrying about this. I'm going to go to the connect section. And the first thing I want to do is I want to put the title in for my Facebook stream. So I've prepared my little document where I have my copy. So I can just copy paste this. Okay, so title. So this is your Facebook Live title. This is your Facebook Live promise of value, what you're going to talk about in this, what you're going to teach, and a call to action if applicable. So you have all the copy here. You can put emojis here, yada, yada, yada. Okay. Don't worry about this. As you can see, my microphone is working. So I'm not going to go live just yet. What I need to do now is I need to go back into OBS first. So now that I've set this up, I need to go to connect. And I need to grab my stream key, this key here, okay? So I need to copy this key and I need to go back into OBS. So let me just switch my screen. That's not what I want. Let's see, stop sharing and switch my screen to OBS. Okay, so now I'm showing back into OBS. So what I need to do next is I need to click on settings. This is inside OBS. And click on stream. Make sure Facebook Live is selected. The server is default. There's no other option. And then you paste that URL that Facebook has given you in here. And you click OK. Now, mind you that the stream key that you get for your business page is unlikely the same as you will get for your Facebook group or for your Facebook profile page. So that's why I recommend you go to the applicable section inside your Facebook where you actually want to stream this to, and you grab the stream key from that particular section. So if you want to go live on your business page, grab the stream key from the business page. If you want to go live on the profile page, you grab the stream key from there. And if you want to do it in a group, you do the same there, okay? Once you've got that, you start live streaming here inside OBS. So you click Start Streaming. And what happens is it will basically do its thing, okay? So if I go back to my share, let's see here, stop share and share, let's see here, share this one here. So this is what I'm seeing now on Facebook, okay? So I've now gone live inside OBS, but I'm not live on Facebook yet. So the next thing you need to do is actually go live here. Once you are ready, you know that your camera is working, you know that your screen share is working, you've set it all up as a scene and as a source inside OBS. You then simply go live here and it will count down and you are live on Facebook. And then when you're finished, you simply click stop share, you end your Facebook Live, and then you open up your OBS and you X out of OBS. So you go back to, you end Facebook Live, you go back to OBS and you click stop streaming here, okay? And that's basically the step-by-step how you can use Zoom, OBS to stream on Facebook Live and create amazing authority videos that you can then repurpose on YouTube, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, for your blogs, for your emails, wherever you want. Hopefully you find this very helpful. If you have questions, let me know. I'm only happy to help.